In this lecture, we are going to learn about few more commands which are related to the Linux file content command. So let's say you have a file and you want to open that file. There are multiple scenarios you need to open that file in different way based on your requirement. So we have discussed about how you can open a file in head, which will basically open a top 10 records or top 20, whatever you are mentioning the number, that will open. Tail command will display the last part of a file. Cat command, it will open a full file. This is a tag. Tag is completely reverse of your cat command. So let's say you want to open a file in reverse order. That time this tag command is helping much. Okay, let me show you one example. So I'm opening this server. Let me log in. Let me clear the screen. Clear. Okay, so we have a file available here called con.txt. okay, if I see the top 10 line of this file, this is the top 10 line. Now if I use the command cat con.txt, what it will do, it will open a file from the first line to last line. It has opened all the file, full content you can see here. Now let's assume that you want to open some file in reverse order, like last line, last part of your file should be on top. Last part of our file should be on top. So this line should be on top. So that time you can use this tag command, tag con.txt. So here the first part of your file is below and last part of your file is on the top. This is completely reverse of your cat command. Okay, next command is more command. Many times we are in a situation where we don't want to open a full file. We just want to open a file like this, more con.txt. So what's happening here? You can see that only 4% of your file has been opened. Only 4%. If you want to open a file like page to page, kind of page to page, you can press enter. So you can see here the percentage is getting increased from 8%, 9%, 10%. So you are opening the file by pressing enter button. So one by one, this will help you whenever you want to read a file one by one. Let's say I want to read this file. Now if you open a cat command, it will open a full file. If you use cat command, I don't want to open a full file. I want to open a file gradually because I want to see the content. That time you can use this more command. Now let's discuss about the less command. More command and less command both are almost same. There is a very small differences. Less command is comparatively faster compared to the comparatively more command because it is not loading full content. So let me tell you one example. Less and the file name con.txt. If you see here below, here it has mentioned the name of your file, that is con.txt. and if you want to find some content, so you can just say like slash. In this file I want to search wherever the Linux is there. You can just do like this, Linux. Okay, so you can see that wherever the Linux is there, that part has been highlighted. Let's say I want to search for bytes, bytes. So I'll mention slash bytes here below, and when I press enter, all the bytes I can see over here. Wherever the bytes are there, I can see these things. So these are the few features are available inside the more command and less command. If you want to come out of the less command or more command, just press Q. So you are coming out of that. Apart from this, you can also use less plus 10 con.txt. So what it will do, it will show you the lines after 10 rows. After 10 lines, it will show you the content. Whatever the contents are there, after the 10 lines, it will show you. So let me come out of the queue. So these are the very important commands are there, which we are using in daily routine as a Oracle DB, as well as with any technology where the Linux are happening. Thank you.